Hi, today I'm sharing the video how to change the garden tap, it also known as a Sillcock and wall hydrant. I am changing this tap because water was leaking even it is completely shut. Before starting the work, I already shut off the wall. If the wall is upside like this, it is shut off. If the wall is horizontal with the pipe, it means wall is open. On the Sillcock there are two screws on each side. I am removing both screws. This tap has a push fitting. I am using this tool to remove the tap. Sometimes push fitting come off very easily, but if it is very old and the water is leaking from the push fitting joint, it will take much longer to remove the fitting. Remove old tap. I'm going to put a new tap. This is from the Shark Bite. There are other brands as well. Whichever you like it, use that one. My preference is to use the push fitting because it is easy to fit and remove rather than soldering. As you see how easy it is, just push in and it will be ready to use. I put it back and securing it with two screws. If you like it, you can screw it first or either go inside and connect it and later on screw it. It's entirely your choice. You may notice there is a one small hole on the left side that needs to be filled. If I do not fill that one, then the rainwater will start to go inside the house. It is completely dry. I will turn on the valve. I just turn it half, just want to make sure that there is no water leakages. If you notice any water leak, turn off valve immediately and check the connection. If this video helped you and you like the video, give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.